Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live and early from CVS to get a head start on this week's deals. And this video, I'm going to switch it up a little bit and I'm going to go over a few of the best deals that you can do this week at CVS and also some of the unadvertised deals at CVS. So these are some of the deals that you won't find in your weekly flyer. So I'm going to start the video by going over some of the best deals. This won't be all of the deals that you can do. We'll do that in my haul video where I actually go shopping a little bit later today. But we're going to get a head start by just reviewing a few of the best deals going on this week so you can get prepared. So first deal up is going to be on the CoverGirl Cosmetics. This week, these are buy two, get back a $6 extra buck. Best way to do this deal is to pick up two of the products for $4.99 down here. That'll total you up to $9.98. Use two of the $3 manufacturer coupons. That'll bring you down to pay $3.98 at the register. But then you're going to get back that $6 extra buck, making two of those free, plus a $2 moneymaker. This week, the Scott and the Cottonelle products are on a spend 20, get 5. There's a lot of different ways that you can mix and match this deal. What I plan on doing personally is picking up two of these Cottonelle 4 mega rolls. 2 for $10. I'm going to be using the $1 printable coupons on these from the Cottonelle website. Then I'm also going to get two of these 6 packs of Scott paper towels. So these are 2 for $11. So when I combine all 4 products, the 2 toilet paper plus the 2 paper towels, that totals me up to $21. I am going to use 2 of the $1 coupons for the Cottonelle. That'll bring me down to $19. And then I'm going to get back the $5 in extra bucks for spending $20. That'll make my final cost for all 4 items just $14 or $3.50 per pack. Another deal that's pretty nice this week is on the Gillette razors. So you want to buy 2 and then you're going to get back $10 in extra bucks. We want to grab the ones that are priced at $9.49 if you use these. So you can pick up one of these for $9.49, use the $3 digital coupon, and then pick up one of the Venus ones for $9.49 and use that $3 digital coupon. Both of those razors will total us up to $12.98, and then we'll get back $10 in extra bucks, making our final price just $1.49 each. We have a really nice deal on deodorant, and it includes multiple brands. You got the Dove included, the Degree included, the Dove Women's. You can mix and match. So these products are buy 4, get back a $10 extra buck this week. I'm going to focus on 2 of the Dove men's products that are priced over $8.99, and that is because I'm going to be using coupons valued at $4, and they are buy 1 get 1 50% off. And then I'm also going to grab 2 of the Dove women's deodorants at $5.99. These are buy 1 get 1 50% off. So I'm thinking that if it rings out the way that I'm thinking it's going to ring out, they'll come up to $22.46. And then I have the 4 off of 2 coupon for the Dove men's, and the matching digital will also probably come off as well. And then we also have the 4 off of 2 digital for the Dove women's. So after all of those coupons, I'll end up paying $10.46 at the register and then getting back a $10 extra buck, making my final cost just 46 cents for all 4. My store does not carry these Gillette Venus disposable razors, but tomorrow these will be buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can pick up 2 packs of these if your store does for buy 1 get 1 50% off. So 2 of them will total you up to $5.98. We do have a $2 digital coupon, so you'll pay $3.98 at the register, but then you're going to get back $4 in extra bucks, making these an absolute freebie. An easy deal that anyone can do because no coupons are needed is on the Kotex products. So these are buy 2, get back $2 in extra bucks this week. The cheapest way to do this deal is to pick up 2 of these liners for $1.79. Since they're buy 1 get 1 50% off this week, 2 of them will total you up to $2.68. So you buy 2 for $2.68, then you're going to get back a $2 extra buck, making your final cost only 68 cents for both, or 34 cents each. The next deal I'm interested in this week is on the Neutrogena Sun Care. So these are buy 2, get back $2 in extra bucks this week. You can grab them as low as $11.99, and we do have a $4 digital coupon. These are buy 1, get 1 40% off. And when you buy 2, you're going to get back $2 in extra bucks. So you can pick up 2 of them for $11.99. The second one will ring out for $7.19. So that'll total you up to $19.18 for 2. We do have a 4 off of 2 printable coupon that you can use. The 4 off of 2 digital would also probably come off as well, leaving you to pay $11.18 at the register. Then you'll get back the $2 extra buck, and you can submit back for $4 on Ibotta, making your final cost for 2 of these just $5.18 or $2.59 each. So I'm pretty excited about this deal on the Neutrogena Cosmetics. So these are buy 2, get back 2 this week. Buy 1, get 1 40% off. And we have an instant coupon that everyone is getting for $2 off. So what you want to do with this deal is pick up 2 of the makeup wipes that are priced at $6.79. You have to get these from the cosmetics section and not the facial care section. You want to grab 2 of these for $6.79. So 2 of these with the buy 1 get 1 40% off sale will total us up to $10.86. Then we want to use 2 of the $3 manufacturer coupons. We have a digital, we also have printables for these. That should bring us down to $4.86 at the register. Then we're going to get back that $2 in extra bucks, making our final cost for these just $2.86 for both packs. And I filmed this before I knew what the $2 instant coupon would be, but we want to add that into the mix too. So instead of $2.86 for both packs, it should be 86 cents for both packs, which is even better, making these just 43 cents a pack. Now that we've gone through some of the best advertised deals, let's switch over and go through some of the best unadvertised deals. So these are deals that you're not going to find in your flyer. Before I do that, I do want to let you guys know that we do have some good prices on Kellogg's snacks this week. So the Pop-Tarts and these 16-count boxes of Rice Krispie treats are all on sale this week. And we do have $1 off of 2 coupons for these on the Kellogg's Family Rewards site. The Wet n Wild is an unadvertised deals this week. So when you spend $12 on Wet n Wild cosmetics, you will get back a $6 extra bucks, but this is all Wet n Wild cosmetics under $10. And also with the Wet n Wild, our instant coupons from last week and this week applied to the Wet n Wild. So that's $4 in coupon savings there. So it's pretty easy to make a really good deal with this promotion this week. Another unadvertised deal is on the Black Radiance cosmetics. So these are spend 15, get back 5 this week. And on some of the products, be on the lookout, there are $2 peelies. And also with the Black Radiance, just like with the Wet n Wild, our $2 instant coupon does apply as well. So there's some additional savings there. We have a nice unadvertised deal on the St. Ives products this week. This also includes the Pond's products as well. So they're buy 1, get 1 50% off. And then when you buy 2, you're going to get back $3 in extra bucks. I didn't see this mentioned in the weekly ad, but this week, Thayer's Facial Care is buy 2, get back $8 in extra bucks. Another deal I did not notice in the ad is on the Woolite. It looks like Lysol and Airwick is included on a spend 15, get back 3 this week. And with the Lysol and the Airwick products, remember that we also have digital coupons that you can add into the mix to create your own type of deal. I will see when I shop a little bit later what type of deal I want to create with these coupons. The Palmer's Cocoa Butter is not on an extra buck promotion, but we have some pretty good sales savings on it. So these were on sale for just $3.99 this week. And the normal price on the jars is $8.59 at CVS. So just with the sale price alone, that is a 50% savings for the CVS pricing. I don't have any coupons, but if you do, you might be able to turn this into a really super deal. The J.R. Watkins hand soap is buy 1, get back $2 in extra bucks this week. This would be an item like if you have a 40% off coupon, you can use that. You would pay $2.99 after your 40% and then get back the $2 in extra bucks, making this hand soap only 99 cents. Next unadvertised deal is on the Avizia and Roto Eye Care. So I don't see any Ibotta rebates for the Avizia like we normally have, but this week these are buy 2, get back $6 in extra bucks. And we also have $3 printable coupons on the Avizia website. So if this is the product that you need, you could work out a decent deal, especially if you have percentage off coupons, since these are full price. The 13.5 ounce Nivea creams are also on an extra buck promotion this week. So they're buy 2, get back $5 in extra bucks, and we do have $2 coupons for these. All Prevagen products are buy two, get back $5 in extra bucks. And this deal actually goes for a couple weeks. It does not end until April 8th. All right, you guys, so that concludes this best deals and unadvertised deals video. My store did not have tags up yet in the deodorant and the hair care aisle, so I'm sure I'm missing some unadvertised deals in those two sections of the store. So I will bring those to you in my video that I post on later today. So just stay tuned for that. When we do the big haul, we will review all of the deals. So definitely check back in then. Let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you very soon.